All right, part of your assignment is going to be to save a viewport, right? So it's actually really simple. All you have to do is go to right-click on the viewport name, and then go down to Set View. And then at the bottom of Set View, it's going to say Named Views. So click on Named Views, and it brings up this little menu. It's like a thumbnail menu with all the views that you can work on. You can actually create oh, that's open. Well, let's just forget it. We'll just create the view. So what you would do is just save this as, you could call it like exhibit perspective or something like that. Whatever naming convention you want to use, go ahead and use it. Okay. So that creates a little thumbnail in this view. So if I'm floating around in my model, I don't want to put that there. Let me move this off. So if I'm working in my model and I'm doing things and I'm, taking walls out and whatever, and I want to go back to that, there are two ways of going back. You can use that menu if you still have it open. I can double click on it and it'll bring me right back there. Or I can go to my view title, go to right click, go to Set View, and it actually, all the named views that I've added to the file get listed at the bottom. So exhibit perspective is there, and it'll bring me right back. Okay, that's it. So what I need from you for the assignment is do your work, like set your exhibit space, get it going, and then finally when you get to a point that you like this view, let me get a little crazy here. Okay, so you get to a point where you like this view and that's the view you want, then save it. Okay, so we're going to work on that view a little bit. It doesn't have to be the perfect view. Please don't spend like 3 hours like getting all your friends' opinions and like sending it to your mom and being like, do you like it? Don't get that crazy about it yet. Okay, we're gonna work on it. I'm gonna show you more about like setting camera angles and stuff and the lens angle and all that. Okay, just pick something that is kind of appropriate for what you want to see. All right, any other questions? Cool. So let's get to it. You guys can begin. I'll kind of put a diagram up on the board for what I was kind of thinking for these entries and exits, and you can take it or leave it.